Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. Let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to follow my steps and apply them to your browser. So now let's tap on this three-dot icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got either clear browsing data or a longer option with the history. I'll show you both. So let's start with this fast option. Just tap on clear browsing data, and here we've got, I would say, basic options. We can remove browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files. We can change the time range, 15 minutes, 4 weeks, or even all time. So this is all, and tap on clear data, of course, or you can enter more options to open more advanced settings. However, I don't want to do it with this way. I'll show you the second one. Let's tap on the three-dot icon again and tap on the history. Basically, I just wanted to show you that here we've got the list of all previously visited websites. So if you want to remove only those options, only this history, simply enter the history and tap on this X button right next to a particular website. Let's tap on clear browsing data here. As I said, in the first way, we were able to remove some basic browsing history, which is right here. However, here we've got advanced options like saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. We can also change the time range to, for example, all time, up to you, and then tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.